It is time. Howdy, y'all. We're both pretty excited here because we have a day off together, which like never happens. So I've decided it's finally time to deal with this rusty cart. Tell me, how do you put on the cart wheel?
Oh, they give you a double every first two of these, I guess.
Derek found these new wheels online and they seem like they'll be able to handle the job. Wow.
Double ball bearing.
Look at this old tire. Don't hurt him. This cart carries everything we need to be able to live here, so we might as well keep it in good shape. Even after all that building, we still have so much wood. So this is a cute little project to use up just a little bit of it. Very cool. Veritas. It's a big honker. Whoa! Oh my god. Bug. was a pretty productive day. That was really good. I'm super happy with how things went. That new bench fits right in. Look at it. It's so zen. I'm so happy. I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.